Hello everyone, welcome back. So Claude 4 was just launched. Let's go through this blog post. So today we are introducing the next generation of Claude models, Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4, setting new standards for coding, advanced reasoning and AI agents. Claude Opus 4 is the world's best coding model with sustained performance on complex long-running tasks and agent workflow. Claude Sonnet 4 is a significant upgrade to Claude Sonnet 3.7, delivering superior coding and reasoning while responding more precisely to your instructions. Alongside the models, we are also announcing extended thinking with tool use beta. Both models can use tools like web search during extended thinking, allowing Claude to alternate between reasoning and tool use to improve responses. New model capabilities: both models can use tools in parallel, follow instruction more precisely, and when given access to local files by developer, demonstrate significantly improved memory capabilities, extracting and saving key facts to maintain continuity and build tacit knowledge over time. Claude Code is now generally available after receiving extensive positive feedback during our research preview. We are expanding how developers can collaborate with Claude. Claude Code now supports background tasks via GitHub Actions and native integration with VS Code and JetBrains, displaying edits directly in your files for seamless pair programming. New AI capabilities: we are releasing 4 new capabilities on the Anthropic AI that enables developers to build more powerful AI agents: the code execution tool, MCP connector, files API, and the ability to cache prompts for up to 1 hour. Claude Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 are hybrid models, offering two modes: near instant responses and extended thinking for deeper reasoning. The Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise Claude plans include both models and extended thinking, with Sonnet 4 also available to free users. Both models are available on the Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Pricing remains consistent with previous Opus and Sonnet models. Opus 4 at $15 slash $17 per million tokens input output, and Sonnet 4 at $3 and $15. Claude 4 Claude Opus 4 is our most powerful model yet and the best coding model in the world, leading on HWE bench 72.5% and terminal bench 43.2%. It delivers sustained performance on long-running tasks that require focus, efforts, and thousands of steps, with the ability to work continuously for several hours, dramatically outperforming all Sonnet models and significantly expanding what AI agents can accomplish. Claude Opus 4 excels at coding and complex problem solving, powering frontier agent products. Cursor calls it state of the art for coding and leap forward in complex code based understanding. Replit reports improved precision and dramatic advancements for complex changes across multiple files. Block calls it the first model to boost code quality during editing and debugging in its agent, codenamed Goose, while maintaining full performance and reliability. Rakuten validated its capabilities with a demanding open source refactor running independently for 7 hours with sustained performance. Cognition notes: Opus 4 excels at solving complex challenges that other models can't, successfully handling critical actions that previous models have missed. Claude Sonnet 4 significantly improves on Sonnet's 3.7 industry-leading capabilities, excelling in coding with state-of-the-art 72.7% on HWE bench. This model balances performance and efficiencies for internal and external use cases with enhanced reliability for greater control over implementation. While not matching Opus 4 in most domains, it delivers an optimal mix of capability and practicality. GitHub says Claude Sonnet 4 soars in agentic scenarios and will introduce it as the model powering the new coding agent in GitHub Copilot. Manus highlights its improvements in following complex instruction, clear reasoning, and aesthetic outputs. iGent reports Sonnet 4 excels at autonomous multi-feature app development as well as substantially improved problem solving and code-based navigation, reducing navigation error from 20% to near zero. SourceGraph says the model shows promise as a substantial leap in software development, staying on track longer, understanding problems more deeply, and providing more elegant code quality. Augment Code reports higher success rate, more surgical code edits, and more careful work through complex tasks, making it the top choice for the primary tool. This model advances our customers' AI strategies across the board, Opus 4 pushes boundaries in coding, researching, writing, and scientific discovery, while Sonnet 4 brings frontier performance to everyday use cases as an instant upgrade from Sonnet 3.7. So here they have given all the charts, you can go through it. Model improvements: in addition to extended thinking with tool use, parallel tool execution, and memory improvements, we have significantly reduced behavior where the model use shortcuts or loopholes to complete tasks. Both models are 65% less likely to engage in this behavior than Sonnet 3.7 on agentic tasks that are particularly susceptible to shortcuts and loopholes. Claude Opus 4 also dramatically outperforms all previous models on memory capabilities. When developers build applications that provide Claude local file access, Opus 4 becomes skilled at creating and maintaining memory files to store key information. This unlocks better long-term task awareness, coherence, and performance on agent tasks like Opus 4, creating a navigation guide while playing Pokemon. Finally, we have introduced thinking summaries for Claude 4 models that use a smaller model to condense lengthy thought process. This summarization is only needed about 5% of the time. Most thought processes are short enough to display in full user, requiring raw chains of thought. Uh, for advanced prompt engineering, can contact sales about our new developer mode to retain full access. Claude Code, now generally available, brings the power of Claude to more of your development workflow in the terminal. Your favorite IDEs and running in the background with the Claude Code SDK. New beta extension for VS Code and JetBrains integrate Claude Code directly into your IDE. Claude's proposed edits appear inline in your file, streamlining review and tracking within the familiar editor interface. Simply run Claude Code in your IDE terminal to install. Beyond the IDE, we are releasing an extensible Claude Code SDK so you can build your own agents and application using the same core agent as Claude Code. We are also releasing an example of what's possible with the SDK. Claude Code on GitHub, now in beta. Tag Claude Code on PRs to respond to reviewer feedback, fix CI errors, or modify code. To install, run /install GitHub app from within Claude Code. Getting started, these models are last step towards virtual collaborator, maintaining full context, sustaining focus on longer projects, and driving transformational impact. They come with extensive testing and evaluation to minimize risk and maximize safety, including implementing measures for higher AI safety levels like ASL3. We are excited to see what you will create. Get started today on Claude Code, or the platform of your choice. As always, your feedback helps us improve. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.